Hey, what's good? Prash here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the CTEK MXS 5 battery charger and maintainer. Now, this is an 8-step charger, so you can check out the different stages here. So you have desulfation, soft start, bulk, absorption, analyzing, reconditioning, float charging, as well as pulse charging for maintenance. This is good if you're storing a vehicle and you just need to keep the charge at an adequate level so that you can keep starting your car. And it works on bikes and cars, and these are the accessories they give you. So you've got your clamps as well as your eyelets, so you can connect either or, and that's pretty much what it looks like. Let's see how this all looks right out the box. So these are the clamps you get for your negative and positive, as well as the eyelets for negative and positive. And this is the charger itself, with what I believe to be is a little case for the charger, as well as a manual on how to use the charger. I gotta say, this is a very light and compact charger, which is honestly part of the reason why I went with this particular charger. So that pretty much concludes the unboxing portion of this video. Now we're gonna actually connect it to my car and see how it goes. Alright, so this is the CTEK charger connected to my car. And as you can see, the charging process has begun. To hook up this charger to my car, I just used the alligator clips over the eyelets. I'm just used to those, so I just went with that. So yeah, this has been it for my unboxing of the CTEK MXS 5 battery charger and maintainer. So far so good. Stay tuned for my review, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.